Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. Rob is here, and today we are turning this stainless pipe. Well, we are not turning it actually, we are getting rid of it.
Yeah, taking off the stainless one and replacing it with some titanium.
Very nice. Alright, so that's the bit we need. Titanium V-bend. If you want one of those guys, it's 146 quid.
Yep, I won't drop that on the floor.
Nope.
That's expensive.
And then we've got two 30cm bits of titanium.
Yep.
And yeah. So we are going to need to weld that on.
Gonna fit the V-band to the end and weld that round there. And weld the two lengths together.
And then color it, obviously.
Yep.
That's why you go for titanium, isn't it?
Yep, and lightweight.
Yeah, who
That
cares, isn't it?
That
It's
is
so light, yeah.
Super light.
I mean, here, if you compare like V-band, it's just this is like as heavy as two of them.
Here we go.
Mind you, it's even heavier, I think. Ah, here we go. Yeah, we
For
can
half
even...
of it, we've got, I don't know if this is sensitive enough. We've got 150 grams
Yeah.
on the stainless steel for half of the V-band, and that is the half with the shoulder, if you want to be super accurate. So the titanium half with the shoulder on it. We can measure that at
10.
Yep.
Well,
That's
10,
100 grams.
So 50 grams lighter
That is.
per side. So it's 100 grams lighter for the whole V-band.
So this is 2/3 of the weight of that.
Yeah.
Proper stuff.
But
more than 2/3 expensive.
5 times the price.
Yeah.
I wish it was only...
Yeah, if it was 2/3 the price, that would be a winner.
Yeah, that'd be good. But anyway, so yeah.
We'll do a
Rob's
bit
got
of,
to get his welding.
do a bit of fabrication.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Let's go.
excellent.
There we go, all welded. And look at that beautiful weld. If it wasn't color, you wouldn't know it there.
Got one down there as well.
Yeah, this one even barely colored, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the gas coverage. I managed to get it working.
Ah, little black, little skid mark. Ooh. Well, you get an idea of the color as well, so that's nice.
Yeah, that's where it is completely colourless is where the gas has got better coverage. where it's actually got a bit of colour is where I've started and stopped.
Ah, yeah, see what you mean.
And I was just testing that out, but it's not working.
Fair enough. So now basically we're just polishing the titanium.
Polishing the titanium so we get a nice even finish, because if you've got
grease and stuff like that, then the
Yeah.
coloring can go.
Yeah, we've got to degrease it afterwards. I'll just try and see if we
Look
can
at
get.
that weld now, man.
Yeah, it's pretty much gone. So I just did it with that Scotch.
Yeah, Scotch kind of surface.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we have so far. So Rob is saying it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah. It's hard to get it even with that blowtorch. I don't know if I need to make something that fans the flame out a bit. So like maybe even the heat out. It's really concentrated.
Yeah. Lovely colour too. Alright guys, so now we are trying more things. As you can see, it's not perfect, but first go at it. So we are basically trying various methods, and you guys can see what works, what doesn't work. But we will probably go back to it at some point to try more stuff.
Yeah, just try and even it out a bit.
And here we're basically trying to get the last bit in the end in sort of a whitish. Otherwise, to be honest, this section I think looks alright, you know?
Yeah, that's the main one that you see.
Yeah. And on a lot of titanium exhausts, they only do the bits you see in color, you know?
Yeah, it takes so long. I think as with a lot of things, it's just practice, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's quite. Just got that last bit then.
Yeah.
It's surprising how much you can. Titanium's like. It's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
The heat's soaking downwards now. But that's made it look a lot more even, I think. But if you did have it on something where you could have a constant speed
Yeah.
and
Constant speed on
Just-
flame all over nearly.
disperse this flame a bit more, even if it was just I don't
Yeah,
know.
just cover an area rather than just
rather
a single spot.
Because it's quite focused. It's more of a plumbing one, isn't it? Wow, that's not hot at all. It doesn't even light like that, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know. I don't know how much gas is left either.
It's funny, his previous color also seemed to have like a matte finish.
Yeah.
When this is still fresh, so you still have like a shiny finish.
Yeah.
But it then goes to like sort of a matte finish.
I think that might have been where I dropped it.
And then that's where I've dropped it, because me I've dropped it straight like that.
Yeah, because that top bit's a lot shinier.
Yeah.
It'll probably dull down over time as well.
I imagine, because I'm pretty sure the rest was as shiny earlier.
Yeah.
Right,
Ah, yeah, back again.
yeah.
You can feel me dropping his car.
So I can edit the sound out. Just make it more funny.
That was the voice of concern.
So basically we are taking the exhaust out again, because that lip is much thicker than the one on the titanium V-bend. So we need to cut that, and then we can use a bit of sealant, and at least our pipe will be flush.
Be close enough.
Yeah. So look,
That's the only one we've got.
you can see that it's 0. You can prove it. Does it focus on that?
Yeah, I think so. Otherwise I'll edit it.
Put some numbers on here. Oh, look. 6 kilos.
It's not bad at all, is it?
Nah.
Imagine that. Be half that in titanium. And
Yeah.
4 times the price.
What we'll need is to try actually weigh the stock cat box
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, because what's that? That's 6 kilos.
What do you reckon, Lee? Because you carried it as well, more than 6 kilograms, the cat box?
Oh, what, the rear back box, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably more than 6 kilos, yeah.
Yeah. And this is actually
That's,
a more portion than just the cat box as well.
Replaced this as well, didn't it?
Yeah, you have the resonator delete as well. Although that is rather light, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much is weight? At least we know. We've got it, all the parts.
That weighs. Ugh, it's going to drop. No. No, I didn't turn it on at the right time.
That was 0, that's fucking light.
Oh, yeah, it's made of unobtainium.
1.4.
1.4.
So 1.4, that will be 1.4 plus the cat box.
yeah.
And then we can compare with that plus
Oh, yeah.
this.
We'll find the middle of that. Back there, isn't it? Ah. Amateur. Do it like that. I think you can do it like that. If this is long enough.
It's not coming out. There you go. There you go. Just about.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it again because I've got to bend this end first then. This stick is also titanium, so we're keeping it real with the science. This bit of wire is also
Yeah.
titanium.
Well, you would not want any other cheap metal to touch the titanium pipe, would you? Have some respect.
I've dropped it as well. Yeah, other than the fact we're going about to make it so it bolts to the stainless.
Yeah.
The science works, but I've got to unweight it to turn this on. Oh, it turned itself on. That is 800 grams. That's fuck all, isn't it?
Compared to this one, we can do the same with this one, then we compare the exact.
Yeah.
And this is actually slightly longer.
Yeah.
It is, yeah.
I mean, not by much, granted, but yeah, let's try this one.
There we go.
It's fishing.
I've got the skills now. And that
1.7.
1.7 kilos.
Incredible, isn't it? 900 gram drop. The titanium pipe is less than half the weight of that.
Yeah.
Nuts.
So I've used the bed sander, as you'll see on the footage, to flat that off. So that should do that. We've got some exhaust assembly paste to make sure that it will
You added those
seal up.
little knobs there on
I've
the
added the
side.
little knobs to stop your rubber sliding off.
Yeah. Also, the rubber will probably need better one because
Yeah, it has started to where you've been driving very sensibly and efficiently. It's got the
the
exhaust
rubber
quite
is
warm and
already
started
melting away.
melting the rubber. So we'll put a little bit of, you can see a little bit of jizz on there.
Yeah.
Special white liquid substance
Took a while.
to seal it up. Just do this up, and then we've got to enjoy the sounds as usual. It's just slow doing
Do you still need? Is it still going to need a zip tie or?
might do, or at least,
On the rubber.
yeah.
Even just the wobbling from doing it up, the rubbers have moved right to the very edge. It might not come all the way off.
It might not, but
Might not.
But let's not take the risk again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've got a metal zip tie. Yeah, so that...
I might be able to find a plastic one in my car. Got another cunning plan.
No, your cunning plan didn't quite work out.
Finished yet? Like I said, I hadn't finished yet.
To get the axle stand out.
Yeah, it should come out. Don't go too far under there though,
So
Lee.
don't drop it on my head just yet.
If you flip the dibber on the axle stand, it should drop the head a bit. There you go. You did that without banging your head.
Yeah, because now with that you don't want to be under.
Yeah.
Put phone away, we just do the end bit.
Sorry, Jim.
Come on.
We're at work now.
Alright guys, well I think that's it for exhaust for
Yeah.
now.
Yep.
And yeah, you know, we'll got more coming, diffuser.
Yeah, a bit more diffuser in the
That's
next.
right.
next
Basically I'm going to try to keep Rob busy, that way, you know, convert him into a Beardchanics.
Oh yeah, it's.
And then he can
it's
do
good,
all
isn't
the
it?
shit for us for free, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
We've got it on tape now.
You got to convert me.
That's right. Anyway, yeah, like, subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah,
Comment.
too right.
That's why, you know, comment on how beautiful the color are.
Sounds good too.
See you in the next one.
Okay, see you later.
Ciao.